Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we will discuss the asset properties of database transaction, which is a very important concept in DBMS and frequently asked in the exam. So let's start with the definition. So asset properties are the set of rules that ensure reliable and correct execution of the database transactions. Now let us understand each property one by one. So our first property is atomicity. Atomicity means a transaction is treated as a single unit. Either all operations are executed completely or none are executed at all. If any part of the transaction fails, the entire transaction is rolled back. This is handled by the recovery system. Now our second one is consistency. Consistency ensures that the database remains correct before and after a transaction. The database moves from one valid state to the another valid state. All integrity constraints must be satisfied. This is ensured by the application programs and constraint rules. Now third one is isolation. Isolation means transactions are executed independently. Even if multiple transactions run at the same time, they do not interfere with each other. Intermediate results of one transaction are not visible to the other. This is handled by the concurrency and control mechanism. Now move to a fourth one, which is durability. Durability means when a transaction is committed, its changes are permanent. Even if the system crashes, the data will not be lost. This is ensured by the recovery system using logs and backups. So in this conclusion, we can say that asset properties ensure that the transactions are reliable, consistent and safe in database system. So like that you have to explain in the examination to get the full marks. If you want these notes, the link of the WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.